Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and gracious. This is the first lecture video of ship's magnetic compass lecture series. Before discussing ship's magnetic compass, we require basic understanding of Earth's magnetism. Thus, this video is all about Earth magnetism and its lines of forces. We know that due to the rotation of the Earth, Earth has its own magnetic field. That's why Earth acts as a big magnet and it has two poles. Pole situated in the north is named as North Pole and pole situated in the south is named as South Pole. These two poles are connected with lines of forces. Lines of forces exit from South Pole and enter in the North Pole. To understand ship's magnetism and ship's magnetic compass, students need to remember this thing always, that Earth's lines of forces exits from the southern hemisphere and enter in the northern hemisphere. Finally, Earth's magnetic field will look like as the picture shown in the presentation. Thank you.